Technology has become so advanced. So, to test, first night, I closed them around midnight, woke up around 9 a.m., no sunlight creeping through, no glare was bouncing off mirrors, no distraction, just full blackout. I can honestly say I sleep deeper, and for naps, it's a game changer. Middle of the day, 2 p.m., Florida sun, and it feels like it's midnight in here. I didn't even realize how much straight light was messing with my sleep until I cut it all out. It's the kind of darkness you get in high-end hotel room, but now it's in my bedroom. Bringnox as a company has pushing smart shades for over a decade. Their thing is innovative plus safety, and you see it here. Cordless design, ANSI certified, child safety, pet-friendly operation. And if you got kids running around or a cat that likes to mess with cords, there's nothing to grab, nothing to get tangled in. They're built a product that's not just smarter, but safer. And honestly, that matters in the bedroom because that's where your family spends the most of their time. So who's this blackout shades for? Let's keep it real. They're not the cheapest shades you can buy. And setup, especially if you're pairing with smart home system, it takes a little patience. But once it's done, it's seamless. These are for anyone who values comfort, sleep, and privacy. If your bedroom is your sanctuary, if you want that hotel blackout vibe every single night, or if you're into smart home living, these are a solid upgrade from your regular blinds. So yeah, the Bringnox Motorized roller shades turned out to be one of the best sleep investments I've ever made. They look good, they feel premium, and they straight up transform the room into a sleep cave. If you're serious about rest, privacy, and smart convenience, you gotta check these out. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm Sebastian from Tech Utopia. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one, folks.